Hello, happy to be here. And when you visit this video, you might already know about a bit about Polkadot and also OpenGuild and this bootcamp. And we're really glad to have you as the student of the bootcamp. And now I'm gonna go directly into the bootcamp and then also what this video is about. So before we go to the main content of the today videos, let me introduce a bit about myself. So my name is Tin and I'm a developer relation lead at OpenGuild. And I already have more than 2 years in blockchain engineering experience and more than 5 years in software engineering. And you can also learn more about me at the2.0.com. So I'm currently leading the dev functions in Polkadot. So if you want to learn about Polkadot or you need anyone to for technical support, feel free to contact me. About OpenGuild, if you're not familiar with it yet, so OpenGuild is a community of Web2 builders who contribute to open source project, learns, and also connect enthusiasts together with a focus on expanding the Polkadot ecosystem. So currently, OpenGuild, we represent Polkadot in the APAC market. We also are the leading contributors of the Polkadot APAC. And if you need a group of people who can share some ideas with you in Polkadot, and also share with you some under the hood technical advancement of Polkadot. So feel free to join OpenGuild Discord and also find expert there. And we really love to have you to discuss more about Polkadot. So what is Polkadot? So Polkadot is more than a blockchain. We're gonna learn about what is a blockchain in the next videos, but you might hear about the term blockchain already. So Polkadot is not only about the blockchain, but it's a core technology that provides an ability to operate blockchain application in a resilient, scalable, and decentralized way. Polkadot is only have one goal, is to become an infrastructure for digital services built by Web2 builders. So if you the developers, you may already use AWS Amazon Web Service once before in your career, and AWS is a cloud infrastructure that empower millions of applications running on the cloud right now. And Polkadot is also have that one goal is to become the AWS in the Web3. So what is Polkadot 2.0? So Polkadot 2.0 is different from the Polkadot 1.0 by introducing 3 new features: async backing, Azure Quantums, and elastic scaling. So for the async backing, it's elevating the Polkadot performance and scale that allow you to run your project, that allow you to build your project and scale it without any concern. And also Azure Quantums, now similar to the computers, you can assign new core to your blockchain whenever you want, and also you can buy new cores and run your project on it. So Azure Quantum enables the developers to never overpay for the blockchain space again. And also elastic scaling, that's streamlining the road on Polkadot, allow you to scale your project on demand. There's an article on Polkadot blogs, so you can find Polkadot 2.0, the rebirth of the network. And this blog introduce about the Polkadot 2.0 roadmap and everything that you want to learn about Polkadot 2.0 to prepare for it. And here there's also a description. So Polkadot 2.0 reimagined blockchain with a bold rebrand and also the powerful features. So Azure Quantum as a backing and elastic scaling, as we mentioned. So we're gonna step into a more flexible, faster, and scalable network. Let's recap a bit. Since the Genesis launch of Polkadot, there's already more than 50 diverse and also interconnected chains expanded the ecosystem. Not to mention there's hundreds to thousands projects running on each chain. So the ecosystem of Polkadot is quite big. If you aggregate all the blockchain runnings, all the project running on the sub ecosystem of each blockchain running on Polkadot. And there's right now over 200 projects utilize the Polkadot SDK to build a blockchain solution. XCMs is the messaging protocol from Polkadot, and it's on release to enable the cross-chain communication between independent blockchains. So all parachains or the blockchains running in the Polkadot can interconnected and also communicate with other. OpenGuild launched paved the path for an industry-leading on-chain decentralized governance platform. And Polkadot is not only decentralized in network infrastructure, but it's also decentralized in social engineering and also governance. So as OpenGuild, we also funded by Polkadot Treasury, which is run on top of the OpenGuild protocol. And this OpenGuild protocol is already empower millions to 100 millions of proposal referendums referendums are running on Polkadot that allow like people want to contribute to Polkadot, grow Polkadot, can submit a proposal, and then like the community gonna vote on it. That's how like OpenGuild works in short. The staking platform like offer anyone like holding dot the opportunity to like contribute and also secure the Polkadot network. Polkadot claims to be the most resilient infrastructure. So there's a score called like Nakamoto coefficient that is measuring how many like independent entities would need to conclude to hold a blockchain. This also like to like gauge the decentralization and also the resilience, how resilient the network is. And as you can see in the chart right here, Polkadot claims to be like Nakamoto coefficient score is like one of the top highest blockchains, one of the top highest score in the chart. And they also compare with the other blockchains like Polkadot is still like outweighs them. So Polkadot is like the most decentralized network right now. And Polkadot is also like most energy efficient. So an independent study showed that Polkadot had the lowest total annualized carbon footprint among the other group of stake network. Lower values mean like more efficiencies and also represent a lower carbon footprint. In the Polkadot ecosystem right now has more than like 600 teams building actively on the whole like, multi-chain network, and it varies in like different categories like the wallet, DAO, DeFi, SocialFi, privacy, bridges, RWA, data gaming, and also like others as well like AI, media, explorer. And Polkadot is like one of like OG gens, so like we have like a lot of teams, a lot of projects building on top. Talking a bit about like Polkadot 2.0. So the Polkadot 2.0 roadmap is cover the three phase: async backing, Azure core time, and elastic scaling. And as you remember, async backing, Azure core time, and elastic scaling is already enabled on Kusama. The canary network of Polkadot is used to test like the latest developments, and all these features already enabled for Kusama. And from the last event of Kusama, we already test there's like 149,000 transactions per second that run on top of Polkadot on top of Kusama. It's quite impressive. And we also expect like the same traffic can coming to like the Polkadot mainnet if like all these features enable, which ready for the Polkadot 2.0. Polkadot 2.0 cover two main parts. The part one is like a bit low level and technical. So the part one next level technical advancement. So Polkadot 2.0 bring like three key technical advancement designed to like lower entry barriers and also enhance accessibility for project and builders. So async backing, that this feature like reduce the block time from the 12 seconds to 6 seconds and increase transaction throughput. And there's also a low like parallel transaction validations and 4 times more data storage within each block, significantly like boosting the network capacity and performance. Azure core times, which like as I mentioned, like Kusama canary network Polkadot allow like this chain to dynamic core allocations for shorter duration to like on-chain purchase or secondary marketplaces like Elastic or Core Hub. So Azure core time similar to like the core in like CPU. It get rid of the per-chain slot ocean model that we have before, and now go with like the on-demand, more flexible model that like whenever you need more computation, need more block space, you're gonna like buy more core. That's how the Azure core time works. And also elastic scaling. This feature like enable projects to lease additional cores needed and also like working alongside like Azure core time and async backing. So elastic scaling will provide like dynamic scalability and ensure the project can efficiently manage computing needs at zero. All these features combined together, we have Polkadot 2.0. Now the part 2 of Polkadot 2.0 is a bit like high level. So Polkadot gonna revamp and also redesign all the branding to be more, vivid. So like the website revamped. So if you see right now the documentations, the website is already revamped into a new brand, and all the messaging framework or visual identity gonna be also revamped as well. And what is a Polkadot Bootcamp? So the bootcamp gonna help you to get ready building on Polkadot by learning from experts in the Polkadot development. The bootcamp gonna contain like 5 different bundles. The bundle 1 is like getting started with Rust and Substrate. Here we have like some exercises and also some documentations that prepare you with Rust skill and also the Substrate development skill. Bundle 2 is like basic fundamentals of blockchain programming. This is gonna introduce about like fundamental concept of the blockchain. And bundle 3, getting familiar with Polkadot SDK. Here we're gonna like getting familiar with Polkadot SDK, obviously. So everything about Polkadot SDK and how to be with Polkadot SDK gonna be covered in the bundle 3. Bundle 4, advanced Polkadot SDK, more advanced concept gonna be introduced in the Polkadot SDK like XCMs, chain deployments, and more. Yeah. Bundle 5, Polkadot 2.0, where we introduce like latest advancement in Polkadot like elastic scaling, async backing, and also Azure core time. Polkadot 2.0, we also have the whitelisted site on the Polkadot education hub, developed by OpenGuild as well. So here we're gonna have all the material, all the resources for you to learn about Polkadot and also prepare for the Polkadot 2.0. So where you can find it, you can go to like learn.openguild.wtf, and then you can find like the Polkadot education hub. Here is like contain like all materials, like learning resources, video tutorials, workshops, and also the bootcamp, the videos for you to learn. If you go to the bootcamp on the Polkadot 2.0 Epic Bootcamp page on the Polkadot Education Hub, you can find like why you want to learn about Polkadot and some key features of Polkadot you can find right here. And there's some information about the bootcamp, like why, what you will learn in the bootcamp, and also the bootcamp details. We also have the learning bundles, as I mentioned. Like we can have like 5 different bundles for you to prepare for Polkadot 2.0. If you click on each bundle, you can find that there's a material for it. So if you click on the bundle 2, basic fundamental of blockchain programming, you can find like all the videos that you have here. Yeah, all the videos that you have for each bundle. Let's say I click on this bundle. It's gonna navigate you to the bundle, navigate you to the videos for you to learn about the concepts and get the topic that you just click on. And if you want to learn more about the platform, you can scan this QR code as learn.openguild.wtf, and you're gonna navigate it to the page. Now we're talking a bit about the handbook. So we have like the handbook that contains all the documentations, all the resource and documentations for you to learn about the bootcamp. It's a guidebook and also the sort of knowledge for you to follow with the videos. So you have like, for example, Rust programming language. This is like the guidebook for you to learn about the bundle 1, Rust and Substrate. And we already break down all the topic and the exercise that you can simply follow to prepare the knowledge. And there's also some like advanced Rust material here. And to visit the guidebook, you go to like bootcamp.openguild.wtf or simply scan this QR code. And yeah, and that's also like the end of like the introduction videos, and hope that we're gonna meet more in like the later videos.